Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I am just checking in with you guys. Today is Tuesday. I just got off of work and just got out of Home Goods. But let me tell y'all, so when I left work, a situation happened right before I left work with one of my students. I was a little sad. So usually when I need to get things off of me, just clear my mind before I go home, I always come into Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Old Navy, whatever store, and just browse. Wasn't even looking for anything in particular. Actually, Home Goods, I walked out of there with nothing. But let me tell y'all how good God is. He's gonna always give you what you need exactly when you need it. Okay, I was walking around at Home Goods, just a little down, like I said, just trying to clear my mind before I go home. So a subscriber walked up to me, y'all, and I always tell y'all, when you see me in public, come up and speak to me. I am very friendly. I am going to have a conversation with you, but you have to come up and say something because I don't know you. You know me, so make sure that you come up and say something. And if you do not come up to say something to me while you see me, and then you come in the comments and say that you saw me and you didn't say anything, I'm going to get you, okay? Because that ain't right. That's not right, okay? But for real, just say hey, y'all. So she came up to me and she started talking to me, and I was like, I don't know who this is. I said, you must be one of my subscribers. And yes, it was one of my subscribers. So Miss Shirley, if you are watching, thank you so much for your encouragement today. You gave me some words of wisdom. You boosted my mood, boosted my confidence. You gave me so many compliments just on the channel, the content that I post, how we interact with the girls, all the things. You gave me so much encouragement, and I cannot thank you enough. Oh my goodness, y'all. I was feeling so down. I really was. And now I'm just like excited about what? I don't know. I'm just excited. But anyway, like I said, come on to talk to me, Miss Shirley. Thank you so much. And thank you for having the courage to come up to me. Okay. Because people see me all the time and they think that I'm not going to talk to them or not speak back to them or whatever the case may be. I don't know. I'm just a regular person. But y'all, I'm super friendly. And I love to talk. Miss Shirley, don't I like to talk? But yeah, I love to talk. But y'all, whatever you are going through right now, be encouraged. Okay? Whatever is on your mind, just do something to help get your mind off of it. It's going to get better. And my day, it ended at work not on a very good note, but it got better. And I am so thankful for that. I am going home right now with peace in my heart. Well, actually, I'm about to run to TJ Maxx first. But I am going with peace. I am just so excited. My mood is on 10 right now. And I love that for me. So y'all just be encouraged. All right? Let's go into TJ Maxx. I am in TJ Maxx because I'm looking for the cashmere linen, and I finally spotted it. This is the candle, which is I'm not sure how many ounces it is, but it is $12.99. And then I also spotted Laundry Day as well, and it's $7.99. So I'm going to get both of these. But then I also wanted to show you guys, if you wanted like a fall looking candle, you can get the same scent. Oh, there's another cashmere linen. You can get the same scent in this color right here and a smaller size for $7.99. All right, And this is what the rest of it looks like. I am not staying in here long. Like I said, I just came in here for one thing. What's this? Oh, Clean Waves. But yeah, just look around, y'all, because they have a lot of candles. They didn't have these, all of these the other day when I was in here. Oh, look at this one. This is a unique looking candle. I probably wouldn't even burn this. It's so pretty. $12.99. Smells good too. It's pretty. I have a whole lot of fall candles out right now. So if you're interested in those, definitely check it out. If you want a pumpkin shaped candle, they have these. I'm not a fan of anything pumpkin scented, but if that's your thing, definitely come and check it out. And this is vanilla sandalwood. Smells pretty good. $14.99 for that one. And this one is vanilla sugar. Oh, it's heavy. How much is it? This one is $20 and it's pretty sizable. How many wicks is this candle? I want to say it might be 5. Oh, that's more than 5. 7 wick candle. That's nice. I like that. California Beach House. I have this in an oil. It smells really good. Oh, this is nice. That's very fall-like and it's pretty. I like that. That's teak wood. Also have the diffusers as well. So California Beach House, cashmere and linen, and the vanilla sandalwood. Oh, here's another one, Autumn Harvest. And look, it's a little ghost. How cute. This one is the Autumn Harvest. Real nice. I like the color of it. So this was one evening after work. I decided to do a quick workout. So you'll see me in workout clothes. I did that before I went upstairs to take my shower and settle in for the evening. I just wanted to get this bathroom downstairs, which is our half bath, nice and clean.
You say you are lost and you're in need of some advice. I'll try to be honest, though it's easier to lie. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby, get up and get out. 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 It's okay to be broken. It's okay to laugh and cry. 'Cause when you try to see the problem, that means you figure it out. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're thinking I'm ready, but I'm telling you, baby, yeah. Get up and get out. Get up and get out. Yeah. And you can say that I'm crazy, that you're
So it's another day, and here I am just putting together a gift for my mom. It was her birthday early in the week, and we were getting together for a surprise, a birthday dinner for her. So I was on the phone with her the night before, and she said that she wanted a diffuser and oil set. So I ordered it from Amazon, had it delivered overnight to have it to gift to her, and I also added in a card as well. Hey y'all. All right, y'all, so we here and we just waiting for them to come in. Y'all want to say hey? Hey, hey, hey. Surprise! Happy birthday to you. May you feel Jesus near every day of the year. Oh, happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. And the best year you ever had. Yeah. Happy birthday. Yep. So as you guys can see, she was completely surprised. She had no idea that we were all going to be there. She just loves when we come together as a family. It doesn't matter what occasion, she just loves it. So that was gift enough for her. But of course, she got other gifts. We had good food, we had laughs, and just a really good time like we always do when we come together as a family. Happy birthday again, Mama. You like it?
Yeah.
Y'all, she been asking for this xylophone every day. We have no idea where she got this from. The idea of wanting one, that is.
The package.
The package?
Yeah.
Okay. But she been asking for one for about 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
And her dad finally ordered her one. Ordered one for Rain too, so they don't fight over it. Hey, you want to tell them thank you for the nice comments?
Yes.
What you gonna say?
Thank you.
They left a lot of nice comments on the last video when you went to school for the first time.
This is
What do you think about that?
so
You think about that?
good.
You think that was good? That they left all of those nice comments about you?
Yeah, stay right there.
Huh?
I said stay right there.
Oh, stay right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all, she want me to record her playing. Say bye.
Bye.
Y'all look at these pillows. She got so many pillows over there. So I wanted to share with you guys a quick recipe that I'm going to put together. I will be having these this week for breakfast. So this is the copycat version of the Starbucks bacon and Gruyere egg bites. So the ingredients are pretty simple. It's cornstarch, cottage cheese, bacon, eggs, salt and pepper, Gruyere cheese, and hot sauce. So I will put down in the description box a link to this recipe. So I already have my oven preheating to 300 degrees. So this recipe did call for a steam bath. I've already placed my water into this dish that I've boiled on the stove, so I'm going to go ahead and place that into the oven. Before I put the egg mixture together, I'm just going to go ahead and start my bacon on top of the stove, which is just 4 strips of bacon that I'm going to use my kitchen shears to cut up. So this cheese is really soft. So you can see I have a piece of wax paper down. So I'm just going to throw the crumbles in there as well. But this is what I was able to get shredded up. And this grater came from Amazon. I got it during, I think it was Prime Day. But yeah, I could just dump this in. It'll be okay. So the recipe called for 1 1/4 cup of Gruyere cheese. I'm adding in some shredded sharp cheddar cheese that I already had on hand just to make up that amount, and it came out fine. I'm sure that you can use whatever other cheese mixed in that you would like to. And as for the meat, if you don't like pork or you don't want any meat in it, you can always substitute the meat or just leave the meat completely out. It's completely up to you. It's your recipe that you're making at home, so do what you like. So I baked these for about 22 minutes and they came out perfect. I think that these may be about the same or a little bit better than the ones from Starbucks, but I do know that I will be making them at home from now on. So definitely give these a try if you like the bites from Starbucks. So that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next one.